is where West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Thursday said that she holds the Puri Jagannath temple in high esteem and has been a regular visitor as a devotee for years. Reacting to the Orissa government's objections over the naming of the newly constructed temple in Digha as a Jagannath Dham, Banerjee told reporters that she could neither understand nor comment on how the BJP-led government chose to react to it. She said hundreds of people from Orissa are visiting the Digha temple.
সকাল 9:30 থেকে পুজো পাঠ যা যা হবার অর্চনা এগুলো তারা করবেন পুরোহিতরা। আমরা 2টো নাগাদ আসবো এখানে, 2টো থেকে 2:30 পর্যন্ত ওই আরতি করা এই করা যা করা রথ এখানেই থাকবে, সেই জায়গাটাই ঠিক করা হলো। রাত্রি থেকে রথ লাগিয়ে দেওয়া হবে এখানে এবং ঠিক 2:30 রথ স্টার্ট করবো। কিন্তু রাস্তায় লোক থাকবে না, লোক থাকবে ব্যারিকেডে। দুদিকে ব্যারিকেড করা হয়েছে যাতে কোনো স্ট্যাম্পেড হওয়ার সম্ভাবনা না থাকে। প্রেসকেও আপনারা জানেন যে একটা হল্টিং স্টেশনে আপনাদের জন্য হোল্ড এরিয়া করে দেওয়া হয়েছে।
Meanwhile, West Bengal LOP, Assembly and BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari has hit out at Mamata Banerjee, stating that when she went to Digha Jagannath temple for leisure.
हर हिंदू त्योहार में, हिंदू पूजा में रुकावट डालने का काम ममता की पुलिस कर रहा है। 629 इयर्स ओल्ड रथ यात्रा का जो मेला, वो परमिशन नहीं मिला है मालदा का जालालपुर, जिसका उल्लेख हर ये बंगाल का जो पंजिका होता है देख लीजिए, इसमें भी है। यहाँ उलूबेड़िया में रथ का मिছিল रोका है, बोलो नहीं करेगा, लेकिन हम लोग सुनने वाला नहीं है। रथ यात्रा का जुलूस निकलेगा, जहां पुलिस रुकेगा वहां ही प्रभु जगन्नाथ देव का नाम संकीर्तन होगा। वो प्रसाद नहीं, ये मिठाई है, वो हलाल खवा रहा है, मुसलमान लोग बना रहा है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, ये नहीं हो सकता। आपने धर्म को ममता बनर्जी तोड़ने का कोशिश कर रहा है। वी आर नॉट अलाउइंग दिस।
There seems to be a new flashpoint in the offing between the BJP and the TMC in West Bengal. This time around, it's over the Jagannath temple and the Rath Yatra that is slated to be brought out by both the sides. My colleague Ravi Shankar Datta is joining me right now to get us more details on the story. Well, Ravi Shankar, it appears to be a new flashpoint between the BJP and the TMC. Both of them want to take out the Rath Yatra. Mamata Banerjee, of course, is trying to make sure that the TMC is going to be getting the right time, the route, everything has to be in accordance to what the TMC's demands are. Both sides trying to appropriate the Rath Yatra festivities.
See, basically, this Jagannath Dham that is being, you can say that was the vision of Mamata Banerjee has been practicalized, and now the Rath Yatra, it is being called Mamata's Ayodhya before 2026 West Bengal Assembly election. Why I am saying so? BJP has continuously accused, and not only BJP, let it be Congress, let it be the left, they have continuously accused Mamata Banerjee for her appeasement politics. Now this is a big field, big platform for Mamata Banerjee to prove herself that she is not doing any kind of appeasement, and this is the platform she is using, which will set her goals for 2026 assembly elections. And you can see the chariots which are behind me, that is for Balaram, the middle one for is Subhadra, and the last one is for the Jagannath. And this platform which is said is actually have a political mileage. As I said, it has taken a lot of pain and sweat to construct this Jagannath Dham. But again, BJP has continuously you have protested the thing, saying that why a state government needs to when it's a public exchequer. Now Mamata Banerjee has clearly said that let it be the public exchequer. sentiment. Moreover, in Orissa, the BJP government has continuously accused Mamata Banerjee for several things, and they have said that this Jagannath Dham in Digha is doing a harm to the Puri. And after that, Mamata Banerjee yesterday has clearly replied that let the Orissa government in Puri say anything what they want, but the truth is that she loves Puri and she loves Digha. But the practicalization of this Rath Yatra is setting a platform for Mamata Banerjee for the coming election, which definitely is going to give her some benefit if it is considered so. Because in Ayodhya we have seen that BJP actually lost the Lok Sabha seat after the Ayodhya Ram Mandir inauguration. But here, if Mamata will get a benefit from this or not is a question that time will tell.
Well, it's politics over the Rath Yatra that is unfolding in West Bengal. My colleague Ravi Shankar Datta getting us all the details. But Ravi Shankar, before I let go of you, take us through what exactly are you witnessing on ground over there? What are the preparations underway? Whether the BJP has gotten police permission to carry out their yatra or not?
See, basically there are several Rath Yatra that happens in West Bengal. BJP from Muralidhar Sen Street, which is BJP's party office in Kolkata, they will be taking out a Rath Yatra as they have taken permission from police. But here in Digha, I must say that after the Puri, this is the biggest Rath Yatra that is happening in the country. Before initially it was considered the Kolkata Rath Yatra that was carried out by ISKCON was the second largest, but now after Digha, this is the second largest Rath Yatra in the West Bengal and in the country. And you can see, I will ask my camera person to show, these are the three rows that is standing that will go from here hardly 800 meters for the Masir Bari that we call. And you can see that the road is being cleared. After this, Mamata Banerjee by 2:30 she will come here and she will use the golden broom to clear off the roads. The tradition that is being carried out in Puri Jagannath Mandir, the same thing will be done here by Mamata Banerjee. She will do that, and all the high profile delegates, they have come here to witness this thing. I have spoken to the people. They have clearly mentioned that if Digha is West Bengal's property, then the Jagannath Mandir that has been constructed here will last for the next 1,000 years, and Mamata Banerjee will be immortal for her work in Digha for this Jagannath Mandir. And you can see that people and spectators, they have already crowded here, and as because it's raining, a little hardship is going on. But again, the whole of Digha is eagerly waiting to see the people, to see the Rath, and the people will be participating in this Rath Yatra throughout. You can see the security, all the top brass of West Bengal police and Kolkata police, they have come here and they are coordinating the whole thing. You can see, I will ask my camera person to show the main gate. You can see the main gate too that is being constructed. This Jagannath Dham, Digha Jagannath Dham has given West Bengal a different mileage, which in the coming years will definitely benefit Mamata Banerjee from her works. And you can see that the devotees, those who are eagerly waiting to see the Rath to move, they are waiting among, yet it is raining here. So I must, if you want me to brief, I must say that Mamata Banerjee for 2026 assembly election will definitely get a benefit. And there has been controversy over the Prasad, but yet Mamata Banerjee has gone ahead and taken the advantage from the whole thing.
Well,